Hello guys, Assalamu Alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are going good and fine. Guys, today we are basically discussing on a very interesting topic regarding best for designers, graphic designers especially. And it's very interesting regarding the comparison between Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Now, what is the basic difference between both of them? Photoshop is basically a raster based software. Use pixels to create images. It deals with pixels and it is basically designed for editing or for creating images. The most appealing task of Photoshop is to design or to edit images. That's it. Now Photoshop is basically used to create designs, web pages, normal banners, normal advertisements, video graphics, but the original use of Photoshop, or we can say the only professional use that looks really amazing in Photoshop, is only to edit images. That's it. Photoshop is known as a user-friendly software, or we can say as a one-stop shop. One-stop shop means the only thing it can do best is to edit image. That's it. It does not deal with designing or artwork like what Illustrator do. So Illustrator is basically working in vectors. Illustrator works on vectors. Vectors are the points that are used to create perfectly smooth, clear lines. Now this program is used to create vector-based work or to edit vector-based work like graphics, logos, or many other designing elements. So Illustrator is best in these kind of, if you want to launch a brand, you want to launch a logo of that company, organization, or product, Illustrator is the only option you can do, the best option, how your logo can look professional. Now to zoom the images, if you want to zoom an image in Illustrator, you can zoom up to 60,000 pixels. Your pixels won't burst out. They won't tear apart. This is the quality of Illustrator. When Illustrator comes to the clarity and when Illustrator comes to the resolution and the clearance of the resolution, it's above all. Really, it's above all. No one can beat it. Although both are of Adobe software, but there is a huge difference. One is used to edit image, edit designs, edit logos. One is used to create logos, create designs, or create a banner, advertisements. You can see games, the cartoon, you can see cartoonic games, characters in cartoon, all are with the help of Illustrator, not of Photoshop. So this is the difference between both of them. So if you want to launch a design, a professional look, use Illustrator. It's tough, typical, but very, very professional. It looks amazing. So this is the big difference between both softwares, and this differs in both of them. This is the reason why they differ. Illustrator is best in quality, in resolution. 60,000 pixels you can zoom. Can you imagine? 60,000 pixels. Nobody on earth have done that up till now. So concluding our debate, both the softwares are basically above all in their respective places, but Illustrator is the most demanding nowadays. If you want to edit a photo, use Photoshop. It's best. Illustrator is not needed. But if you want a beautiful work in designing, Illustrator is the best. It's above all. So Photoshop is we can say a tough word, a bad program when it comes for creating logos. Really, it's a bad program. It will do nothing but cost you time and money. It cannot be enlarged in Photoshop. It cannot be manipulated like what we can do in Illustrator. So if you have liked our video, kindly like it. Give us suggestions in the comment box. If you want to suggest for our next videos, a new video, or anything regarding this current video, you can tell us in the comment box. Kindly subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more updates and notifications, like our video, and thank you for watching.